Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video for my Dollar Tree sticker series videos. So today I have two cards to share with you that I've made. So let's get started. Let me show you the products that I use before I show you the stickers that I use. So I use this penny black stamp set. It's called Better with Age. This has some great sentiments on it. A very happy birthday to you. Super simple. Or you could say, I hope your birthday is just the beginning of a year full of happiness. I use this sentiment here, sending you my love, best wishes, and joy. Happy birthday. Super nice stamp set. And then I use this die set from Spellbinders. And this one is called Fancy Edged Ovals. Fancy Edged Ovals. So this die set is really neat because it does have some ovals that are, more fancier than the others, but then they have this super simple one here next to the last that's just a stitched edged type design. So really like this. So here we go again. You know the drill. What stamp set did I use? Not stamp set, which sticker set did I use this time around? Well, I used the really pretty daisies. I believe they're daisies or sunflowers. I'm not sure. Maybe sunflowers. This one looks more like a sunflower. But you see this is a 10-piece set. It's a pop-up stickers. And they have, when they say pop-up, it's just like layered. And so let's look at the cards. So here's the first one. And it's just a little cluster of the stickers in the middle. And then I used this ribbon from Joanne. That's like my most favorite ribbon of all time. And yeah, I sacrificed some of it on this card. That's how I feel when I use it. It's like, oh no. But I love how the orange pops behind the brown polka dots or white polka dots on brown background, and then with the craft paper, I think this turned out really pretty. Now here's the second card. Now this card, man, it was trouble with a capital T. So first of all, when I when I glued down the center section here, I had the card turned the wrong way. So I don't know. I hope you guys understand how easy that is to do. And then so I pulled it up in time, but then I tore some of the polka dot paper in an effort to save this card base and the polka dot paper. I decided to put this big orange piece to kind of cover up what I tore down here. And then when I put that down, I was so excited. And then I put the, white piece back down, and then I said I'm just gonna fill it up full of the flowers and then even have a butterfly. And then I noticed that my paper had shifted over a little bit so you can see the polka dots on the edge, and I was like, ugh. But I'm gonna figure out a way to get that. I don't know, like I said, this card was such a hassle, and then to end up with the my paper a little bit short, that just really bothers me. But I'm gonna figure out a way to salvage it because I think it's a really pretty card. Let me know what you think. So here are the two sets that cards that I made this time around in my Dollar Tree sticker series. Hope you're enjoying the series. Let me know below if you have a sticker set that you challenge me to use. Shout it out and I'll try to get it if I don't already have it in my stash and make a card. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.